Now this is a view that I can get used to. And so begins the journey of getting SUKI from Missouri. We are waiting on a cab. The cab should be here shortly because I have a bus I gotta catch at 10 and it's already 9:16, so I hope he makes it quickly. All right, let's see. So the bus just dropped me off at the St. Robert Greyhound station, and finally this ordeal is over. It was a very challenging trip, but so now I'm just waiting for my ride to come here to pick me up. So Greyhound, yikes. Hey everybody, Zoom 360 here on the go. It is a Sunday morning, though of course behind schedule as always, but I was caught up in some good conversation with my friend. So we were talking about a lot of social stuff, and it was very good and smart. So that kind of had me started a little bit like close to 2 hours later. But we're leaving for Leonardwood, Missouri / St. Robert, Missouri. Bye. So we're leaving St. Robert, Missouri now. I gotta stop by the AutoZone and get something, which I'll be working on in Colorado, but I'm gonna buy it right now and leave with it, which is right over there. I'm gonna get me a few things, and yeah, this is gonna be the last time I'm here unless I come back here for school. We'll see, but we're leaving. It's gonna be awesome. Now I've decided to take the same road I took with Lucille, because the road that I was gonna take, which was 44 going west, is rather boring. and that's the same route that the bus took last night, which was an interesting trip. But I didn't like that road, and I did in fact take that road before, because that's the road I took driving SUKI from Fort Bliss to Fort Leonard Wood. So, but the other way is a lot more interesting. The speed limits are a little bit higher and the landscape changes. So I think I'm gonna take the same route I took. So yeah, so it should be interesting. And yeah, I guess I could talk about a few things en route to the trip, but we'll see. We will see where this video goes, because I don't really have a plan for it. So it's whatever. Yep, still at AutoZone. Had to get myself a serpentine belt and some gum out. This is the perfect opportunity during this road trip to use the complete fuel system cleaner. So I'll do that on my way there. Also, I'm gonna check the wheel lug nuts too to make sure they're tight, because I always like to do that during trips. So pop the trunk and let's check the wheel. Now this only, I got a serpentine belt with this fuel cleaner injector thingy, and it only cost me, that is, a measly $8, and it's only because of the AutoZone rewards program, because I had $20 built up. So those things do come in handy every once in a while. So I'm gonna keep that belt, because not that my belt is bad, but it's just that it's been a while since I've changed this belt. I think I might change it just for spits and giggles once I get to Colorado. As you can see, pretty much packed here but it's just a few things, because the majority of the stuff is actually with Lucille in Colorado. So and just like that, we are set. Shady Hooks. Back to my old stomping ground, my old place of residence. I had to come back here again because I want to check my mailbox one more time. They should have been holding my mail since the 1st, but I want to make sure that they are following through, which I'm sure they are, but there shouldn't be any mail in my mailbox right now. All right, looks like the mail is doing what they're supposed to do. There's no mail in my mailbox, and the landlords are already hard at work doing some renovations to my place, and it's for rent, everybody. If you want to rent a place at Shady Hook, St. Robert, Missouri, if you are moving there or something, you're being reassigned there, those are awesome people to rent from. So all right, off to Lebanon. From Lebanon, we're gonna find our way up to 70, and we're gonna gun it, baby. Woo! I hope nothing crazy happens. I could break down. Don't jinx myself. It's jinx myself. Lucille, we're coming. Hold that spot that's right next to you. We're coming, baby. We're coming. some fuel. We are topped off. We got the gum out in there, and all of my lug nuts are holding tight. I always have this thing fearing that my lug nuts will just come. Sorry, folks. Like, for some reason, like, I always have this fear that my lug nuts are just gonna come off on me, but they're good. They're good. Next, I'm going right there. I gotta get some local sodas that taste absolutely delicious one last time. I gotta do it. Let's do it. We are leaving Lebanon behind by Lebanon and heading to Kansas City. From there, we are gonna take Interstate 70, and it's gonna be fun from that point, because the interstate, I drove it with Lucille. Oh man, that's all I'm gonna say. Awesome spec.
In 2 miles, take exit 1 meter.
Come on, Nissan. You're driving an SV. It's a Super Veloce. Let's go. Just went through the toll. It cost $1. I'm not kidding. $1 toll. I still don't like tolls though. 70 West! Lucille, we're coming! Of course, no trip is a trip without a pause for a snack, and Subway, don't let me down. Oh, sweet, merciful. Look at that stretch. Let's get it! Jeez Louise. Look at this straightaway. Oh my gosh. Let's get it. So the winds of Kansas are fighting with me because the car wants to go right because the wind is blowing really hard to my right. So it's tough to try to keep this thing straight. But we're gonna fuel at Riley again because I'm down to almost a quarter. Fort Riley, we made it. Fuel me. Fuel me. This place is huge. The airport is huge. Jeez Louise. Look at all the Black Hawks. The Chinooks. Yeah, buddy. Feed me, Fort Riley. Big red one. Patch on my shoulder. Bye, Fort Riley, for refueling me. Big red one. Patch on my shoulders. This patch is all over Omaha Beach in France. All over it. How do I know? Because I was there. I was 60 years late, but I still went there. We are at Junction City in Kansas. It's very windy. I think I'm gonna stay here for the night and trying to do some video editing too. But I'm definitely not gonna be driving at night. I'm not doing it like I did last time, so I'm gonna just chill here. At first, I saw the sign. I was like, oh no, but then I guess they're just working on the signs of the hotel, as you can see. But I'm at the Junction City Inn and Suites. It's actually pretty nice. It's just, I guess, one of those, like, you know, hidden gems of the city here. But it's not exactly, it's not in the city, it's at the edges because there's the highway right there. So yeah, so let's go ahead and go in and start to do some editing and get some much needed sleep so that I won't be dozing off tomorrow. So this is a nice hotel room. This is definitely cool. And I like how you can see the car. You can see SUKI right outside. I like that. And as you can see, I left the lights in the car on. So I have to go out there and do that. So I'll be back. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this piece of the moving vlog right here, right now. I'm very tired. So, but still, I'm gonna take some time to edit, and then go to bed and make sure I rest very well so that I can drive tomorrow and reach there. I wanted to reach there today, but I'm sure one more night will be fine. So this is Zoom 360 inviting you to get up, get out, and do it. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'm out.